In this presentation, I would like to take a look at the installation of the Flywheel onto your Honda GC Series engine. Before we get started, let's go ahead and take a look at the expectations. So the first thing that we're going to take a look at for the expectations is you're going to install what I call the finger guard with 2 bolts. We're going to install the flywheel key if you removed it previously. Most of us did not remove that on this particular series of engine. You did not need to do that. We're going to align the flywheel with the key. We're going to then place the flywheel onto the end of the crankshaft. We'll then align the fan with the little notch out that it has. And then I will torque your flywheel down, usually just zip it down with a couple of ugga-duggas with the impact. And then you will need to get an instructor signature on your sheet when those proficiencies are completed. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine. So up first is the little finger guard, which probably also serves the purpose of preventing cooling air from leaking out from the side here of the engine. We'll go ahead and start those bolts by hand. Finish that installation with tools. Next, you'll notice my flywheel key is actually already installed. So I'm simply going to go ahead and bring the flywheel up. Notice it interfaced nicely. Then we're going to match, and everybody goes together. If it's not quite right, it's definitely got a feel to it. It definitely clicks in. We'll hand start that bolt as well. This has been a look at how to install the flywheel onto your Honda GC Series engine.